Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Jenny and today I am bringing you sketch number 3 from the Best of 30 Days of Sketches by Christy's Beautiful Life. And today's sketch is by Rochelle Spears for Sketches in Time. And this is the sketch here and I will show it to you in a sec. And um, I'm showing you the papers that I'm using, and I am using scraps from some page kits that I put together. I'm going to try to remember to link the playlist for um, the videos that I have pulled together for when I made these original page kits. And I will also do my best to link the playlist for the 30 Days of Sketches, and I do hope that you will go over there and just check out the all of the wonderful videos that are getting shared in the playlist by everyone who is participating in creating content um, for the best of 30 days. So it's a lot of work for those of you who who don't know. If you're not creators, it's really hard to do. And so I'm just, I'm working with it. And yeah, it's sketch number 3 and it's June 12th. And you know what? I'll get through them. I just unfortunately have had lots of different things going on, but I'm going to just play along at my own pace. I will keep adding to the playlist. If people are interested, they'll be interested and they can check it out there. Um, but I do hope that you do like the content, check out some of the playlists on my channel, and I hope that if you like it, you will consider subscribing. Here, you'll see that I've pulled, so that background paper, that stripe paper I've already cut down, and I have those two pieces of paper, the floral and the tan, and I didn't realize that I needed one more piece of paper to kind of just pop a little bit. It's not going to be showing very much. It's just going to be at the top and the bottom. And so I end up selecting that wood grain. So here I'm going to go, I still rifle through a whole bunch. And so I've gone ahead and I have fast forwarded. So you don't have to watch any of that. But here I am cutting down this wood grain paper. Um, and because I just wanted to show and peek out from the top and the bottom, I know that I don't have to have a full piece of paper. I'm just making sure that it's slightly smaller than that piece of paper, the floral and the tan, so that it looks cohesive. So I haven't trimmed down those two other background papers, but I am going to go ahead, and I know that I want to map my photo. So I'm going to do that now. I always keep some mats pre-cut so that it's easy for me to pull in the event that I need a white, an off-white, or cream. It's super fast. Those are the ones that I use the most, and so I have those at my disposal at any given time. And some of them I, cut 3x4, 4x4, depending on, what I'm scrapping that particular day. Today, it happens to be a 4x6 photo that I have already gone ahead and trimmed. Um, and here I'm just going ahead and I am adhering that wood grain piece, and you'll see me like that striped piece of paper. This always happens if you're a scrapper and you're filming, your ATG runs out. So I've gone ahead, I've remedied all of that. I've gone ahead and trimmed out that striped piece of paper, and this is gonna come to like it just throws me off when I'm following the sketch pretty close at this point, and I continue to do so. I don't deviate very much. I really liked the sketch. It's something out of my comfort zone. I'm a little bit more linear than this, but it throws me off as I'm trying to center and line things. Did you see that? Did you see that measuring technique? Did you see that? It's like epic if you haven't seen it. I'm totally being sarcastic. That would be me measuring with my fingernail and like placing a cut mark with my fingernail. Yeah, super sophisticated. Oh my gosh. The level of laziness, it doesn't astound me. I'm a little bit of a lazy scrapper sometimes. But anyway, so back to the layout. I'm going ahead and you're gonna see me place this bottom piece of the wood grain that's gonna peek out. And then I'm gonna try to put it on the layout, and I am gonna go into a big struggle because everything looks crooked to me when I'm putting it on there. So rightly so, I went ahead and I pulled my T-square ruler, which you'll see me. Man, I glued that super slow. Oh my. Okay. This is this is fast forwarded twice. You gotta laugh at yourself, right? I crack myself up sometimes. I'm like, oh, why did I take so long to do that? But then again, whatever. Okay, so here I'm using the T-square ruler to line everything up, and it's throwing me off, but I'm good. The T-square ruler says it's straight, and I've gone ahead and I've saved you from me putting foam squares behind my photo. I've gone ahead and placed that down. So now, oh, I've decided I didn't like how it looked on pink. Normally, I will say probably about 90% of the time, probably maybe higher, I go ahead and I back my layouts on some kind of frame. And so here I try some darker colors. I didn't like how it looked. So I went for the white. I just used the back of a scrap paper that I was not going to use. Normally I keep those for layouts that I know I'm going to cover the entire page and I don't want to waste one of my good cardstocks on it. So here I'm going ahead and I am using my Stampin' Up corner punch and just corner punching that pinky peach piece of paper, and now I've gone ahead and I've adhered it, and it's time for me to look at and look through, and here I'm just telling you where the embellishment clusters are going to go. So they're going to go on both sides of the right hand and the left hand side of the photo, and then towards the bottom of the right where you see me placing that flare right now. I still haven't committed to, well, I guess now I'm committing to the embellishments. I have that tag popped up on foam squares, and now I'm just working on this bottom right hand cluster. It's there. It's really hard to see, but you'll see it in the close-ups at the end. But here you see me. I have pulled that piece, that arrow wood veneer, very similar to the sketch, and I've decided because it looks really stark against that, I wanted to give it a little bit of color, so I'm using some of my smaller inks. I think these are, don't quote me, I don't know if they're Hero Arts or what brand, I forget. But that, I don't like how that looks. The beauty of that is that you flip it over and you can pick a different color. So here I'm just looking at the different colors that I have in my stash, and I end up using this, it's a gray color, I don't even remember the name of it. I do hold it up to the camera, so if you're really, really interested, it's in the grayish tones. I try not to overdo it too much. I just want it to look just a little bit weathered. Yeah, there it is. I couldn't see it. My editing screen is too small, but you see it there, and that pretty much is the rest of the layout. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and here comes some close-ups. Bye. See you soon.